Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create, edit, and publish news in the Academy. The News and Updates feature helps you quickly inform learners about important events, updates, new opportunities, or additional information directly within the platform. To access the News section, open the Content menu and select the News and Updates tab. Here you'll find all created news posts. You can view all news posts, published news posts only, or unpublished. The table also displays the following information: news title, number of news, access settings, and the date of the last update. To find a specific news post, use the search bar. By clicking the three-dot menu, you can open the news settings or delete the news post. Users with the following roles can create and manage rules: owner, administrator, editor, and instructor. To create a news post, click the Create News Posts button. Next, enter the news title and the main content. If desired, you can also add a cover image. The news editor works the same way as the lesson editor, allowing you to add text, images, videos, and other content elements. Once you have added all the necessary information, click Save. You can configure access settings individually for each news post. To do this, open the Settings section in the left side menu. You can choose whether the news will be available to all learners or only to selected learners or teams. You can also enable or disable reactions for the news post. After completing the settings, publish the news and click Save. You can also customize the appearance of the news page. To do this, navigate to Visual Settings and open the News section. Here you can change the page title, add a description, and customize the banner color. To notify learners about newly published news, go to the Academy's and Admin settings and open the Notification settings. Click Add New Notification and select the event, News Published. After saving the settings, learner will receive notification both on the platform and via email. Detailed analytics are available for every news post. Open the News Post section in Statistics to view the performance data. Here you can track views, opens, reactions, average reading time, access information, and the last update date. You can also open detailed statistics for a specific news post by clicking on it, and you can use a search function or export data in both formats. Once the first news post is published, learners will see a dedicated News tab in the platform navigation. If there are unread news posts, the number of unread items will be displayed next to the icon. In the news feed, learners will see the cover, image, title, author, and publication date. When a learner opens a new post, it is automatically marked as read. If reactions are enabled, learners will also be able to interact with the news and leave reactions. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy.